Now this is the next exercise 6.5. So in this, before starting this exercise, first I'm telling you the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So in the Pythagoras theorem, a triangle is there whose one of the angle will be 90 degree. Okay. So one angle will be 90 degree. So if in a triangle you will find this symbol, that means this is 90 degree. Okay. Then opposite to 90 degree, which side we have? So opposite to 90 degree we have this side. Okay, so this side is known as the hypotenuse of the triangle. Okay, and the other two sides you can take as perpendicular and the other side can be your base. Okay, so in the right angle triangle, if one of the angle is 90 degree, then there is a relation between the hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. So this relation is h square equals to p square plus b square. Okay, that means the hypotenuse square will be equals to sum of the square of other two sides. Hypotenuse is the largest, biggest side in the right angle triangle. So the square of that side will be equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. Now let's see. So this exercise is based on this theorem only. So here the question is PQR is a triangle. Okay, just I'm not labeling it. First you have to read all the information here. So in triangle PQR, which is right angle at P. So this thing we have to see. It is right angle at P. That means this angle will be 90 degree and that will be P. Okay. So other two vertex you can name any, like QR you can give anywhere you want. Now here few things are given, that PQ is 10 centimeter. In all these questions you will draw the diagrams also. So that will be helpful for solving the questions. Now PR is given 24 centimeter. So now you have to find out QR. So QR is which side? QR is the hypotenuse. So that means I've told the relation, the hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square, and perpendicular is also known as the height also. So or altitude. Okay. So here your h is QR. So QR square will be equals to p square is 10 square and the q is 24 square. Now 10 square is 100 plus 24 square you have to write. So here we will get 576, that is the square of 24. So you add it, so you will get 676. So QR square came 676. So now QR can be written as root over 676. Now here we will find out the prime factors of this. So if you find out the prime factor, so you will get 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. So here you can also write it as 2 square into 13 square. So with the square, this is square root will go on. So here you will get only 2 and 13. So your QR will be 2 into 13. You can also write it as QR square equals to 2 square into 13 square. Okay, and after that you can move to this step, this last one. As the QR square is equals to this, so you can remove the power. So you will get QR equals to 2 into 13, that is 26 centimeter. Here I am telling you one of the shortcut method to find the QR square. Like in the previous method you got QR square equals to 10 square plus 24 square. So here you can minimize your calculation. Just take common from these two. What is common here? So you can see 2 is common here. So you can take 2 square common. Okay, so here you will get 5 square because 2 5s are 10. 5 will be there. And here we'll get 2 square. After this step, you can write 2 square as it is, and here this calculation will give you 25 plus 144, that will be 169. So it will be 2 square into 13 square, and after that it will be same as the previous one. So you can use any of the method. So QR will be 2 into 13, so that is 26 centimeter. Answer will be same in both the cases. Question 2 is same like question number 1. So I'm not explaining that one. So now I'm taking the third question, that is a 15-meter long ladder reaches a window 12-meter high from the ground. On the place it against a wall at a distance A. So you have to find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Here in this question, this figure is also given. So here you can see this is the ladder and this is 15 meter and this height is 12 meters and you have to find out this A. So here as you can see, this angle will be 90 degrees. So here again we will use the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So here you can see hypotenuse is 15 square. Okay, and then your the perpendicular is 12 square, so you have to find out A square. So here you know that 15 square is 225, then 12 square is 144 plus A square. So here your A square will come out 225 minus 144. So here you will get 81. So A square came 81. Now you will find out the factors of 8. So that will be 9 into 9. Or you can say that A square is equals to 9 square. So your A will be 9 centimeters. Now 9 meters. So your answer will be the foot of the ladder. The distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall will be 9 meters. After this, I am taking this question number 4. So here you can see the sides of a triangles are given. So you have to check whether they are forming a right angle triangle or not. Okay. So I am taking the first part. Other parts you can try your own. So here just making a roughly right triangle that we will see whether it is right triangle or not. So here the first side, the greater side will be the hypotenuse. So I am just writing it here 6.5, 6 and this is 2.5. Now to check whether it is a right triangle or not, so you will first find out the square of the greater side. Okay, so we find out the square of the greater side, that is 6.5. So that will be 42.25. Now we'll just check out the second square of the second side, that is 6 square, so 36. Then 2.5 square will be 6.25. Okay, so now what you have to do, we will simply add the square of the smaller two sides. So these are the smaller two sides, then the sum of these squares will be 6 square plus 2.5 square will give you 36 plus 6.25. so after adding it will be 42.25. so that means that is equals to the square of third side. So you have verified your h square equals to p square plus b square for this question. So you can say, so it is a right triangle. And here in case it is a right angle triangle, identify the right angle. So where will be the right angle? The right angle will be opposite to 6.5, the side which is 6.5. So right angle will be opposite to side 6.5 centimeters. So this way you will do these questions.